Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll show you and review this Boat Stone Grenade Bluetooth speaker. Actually this is not mine, so I didn't got the packet. Actually this is my cousin's speaker, so I don't have the package to unbox it, but I can definitely give you my point of view and my thought like how good is this speaker. So without any further ado, let's get started. But first let me just show you how it looks from the outside. Like at the front you get all those control, like this is for the volume increasing button, and this is a volume decrement button, and this is for skipping the tracks, and this is a power button. And this side you get a nice little mesh like thing. It's actually not of cotton, but it's a hard thing. Maybe it's a like metal kind of thing. And at the back again this is clean side, and here you can see it can like it has a blue indicator, so the indicator changes based on your current situation. Like if the music is playing, the LED will blink very very slow pace, and if like it's in pairing mode, then it will blink very rapidly. And if it's fixed like this, then that means the music is paused right now. And this side, like just below, if I can show you, just below this is the speaker, main speaker unit. This is like, this is the point, like this side is speaker, like the speaker is pointing outside, and this is the back side. And yes, and at the bottom, like as you can see, I'm sorry, as you can see, the branding is mentioned. It like both the model, that is the Stone Grenade model number, and output power is 5 watt. But let me tell you, for the speaker that is just 5 watt, it doesn't sound at all like 5 watt. It sound like it has very fuller sound. And if I again then show you like the input DC power, that is it takes input of 5 volt and 1200 milliampere, and it is IPX6 rated. And for those of you who don't know like what is IPX6, like IP, like the first X represent for dust ingression. Like it cannot withstand any kind of dust ingression, like it cannot repel those dust, like it will probably get damaged if you put some dust in it. And for the next part, that is 6, that is the second word, that is the 6th part, that is the last part, that represent the water ingression level. So this thing is like slightly water rated. That means it can handle a slight water jets. Like yes, you can use it in rain also, that won't matter much. And it can also handle like if you sweat on it, and like obviously you will not sweat on it, but definitely it can handle slight water, and it will be fine. Just because this thing has flap, this thing is like, this is a water seal flap, and if you open it, then you can get access to the charging port, that is it's a type B port, USB type B, and underneath is a charging indicator. I'll show you in a minute. And this is the this is the aux port. It's where if you like, if you have a aux cable, then you want at the one end of the cable you insert it into your phone or laptop, and on the other end you can insert it over here. Then you can get a wired connection from your phone or laptop to it, and you can play music or any kind of sound without it needing to access its battery power. So, and this one is the memory card slot. And if I have a memory card with me, and like if you have a music downloaded on this memory card, if I just show you, yes, this is how memory card looks. And if you have like any kind of songs downloaded onto it, this memory card, then when you insert it, like as you can see, it's showing it should be like this. So if I just insert it, maybe I'm doing it wrong side, I'm very much sorry. Okay, so as you can see, let me just show you. Okay, so it's written shown like this, and you also need to do it like this, and then you insert it. Okay, this way, like it should be up top, and you insert it just like this. You push it, and it will make a clicking sound. As you can see, it has made some.
Your device is ready to pair. You're now connected to Boat Stone Grenade.
No, this is like, this thing is connected to my phone. Let me just first disconnect it. But
Disconnected.
this thing has my memory card has no songs in it, so it won't matter much. And if I move to the main thing, like, and I'm very sorry, and one thing that I forgot to tell you is like if I just connect this here, and by the way, this is a USB-C cable. You might, yes, this is a USB-C. If you can just focus, it's a USB-C. So when you like insert it like this, as you can see, the red light is glowing, and when the charging is complete, the red line, the glowing LED, that is the red light, will turn off. That indicates the charging is full. So yes, this is what I forgot to tell you. Yes, thank you, and let's move on to the main video now. Like what I should.
Adios, amigo. Powering off.
So like at first what you need to do is press and hold this button. If I just show you like that. Yes, press and hold this button, then if you just
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana.
as you can see, the blue light has turned
Your
on
device is ready to pair.
and it's ready to pair, and it's currently blinking right now. And if I just go ahead and connect my phone with it, I'll show you the music sample.
You're now connected to Boatstone Grenade.
Yeah, this thing like yells at you like what is the current situation state of this. So if I play some non-copyright music. Okay, so let me just first tell you what are the buttons. Like if you single press this, then it will take you to the next track, that is it will forward, it does forward track. And this is if you single tap it, it takes you to the back previous song, and a single tap on this will like play and pauses the music, and a single tap on it will disconnect put you in standby mode. So, and like if you press and hold this button, it will increase the volume to maximum, and but it will not change the phone's internal volume. That is, if I just show you, like my phone's volume is right now at this stage. So when I press and hold, like if I just press and hold this button, as you can see,
Maximum volume.
if
Maximum volume.
even though it's saying maximum volume, my phone's volume is not changing. And similarly, if you just press and hold this volume decrement button, it will like decrease the volume of this speaker but not the phone itself. So, and if you like press twice, then it will dial the last call person. Like if you press twice this button, it will call the last person that you call from your phone. And if you press this same button twice, then first it goes to standby mode, and if you press again,
Your device is ready to pair.
it goes in pairing mode.
You're now connected to Boatstone Grenade.
So now if you like tap and hold this button, then as I told you, it increases volume. Tap and hold decreases volume. Tap and hold, it disconnects disconnect the Bluetooth from, like it disconnects the Bluetooth. And again the tap and hold, it again enables Bluetooth. And yes, and you don't get tap and hold with this one. And like I told you, the LED blinking feature, if the LED is solid blue, then it means the music is paused. If it's blinking rapidly, then it's in pairing mode. And like if it's blinking slowly, that means it is currently the music is playing. So now let me just show you the music sample. If I just bring the mic to here, like for the best audio experience, please wear any kind of the best headphone that you have. So wear the best headphone that you have to enjoy the best music quality. So right now I'm playing the music. By the way, this is at 50% volume. And now I'm increasing the volume to 70%. And now I'm increasing the volume to 90%. And now I'm increasing the volume to 100%. Okay, so this is the sound quality of this Boat Stone Grenade, and I'm very impressed with the sound quality, and it has a very nice thump and beats in the or in its audio quality. Like if I just first clip it, like for the size of this, like it doesn't feel at all like it's a 5-watt speaker. Like it gives a very good impression. Like my first impression was very good, and after using it for like a week and half, like more than like a week, and after using for like 15 days, I'm very impressed with this speaker. So I'm telling you, if you like and this right now the speaker is not available in the market, and like if you on online market, like if you can grab this speaker at offline market, then you should definitely go check it out. And I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed with this like audio quality and everything. And I am very much surprised to see how good this 5-watt speaker is. And this is all my like this is my final thought, and this is my conclusion, that like if you want this speaker and like if your budget is tight, then at like this thing right now, this thing costs around like how much, like 700 and 800 rupees. Last time I checked on Amazon, and that time the sale was going on. So yeah, at that price, then this is definitely worth the price. So yes, you should definitely go and check it out. Like this thing is like the beast in its size. So yes, so this is all about it. And like if you like this video, give it a like and share it with your friends, and I'll see you then. Until next time, bye bye.